Hi, this is Tony with Forget Me Not Woodwork and Design, and I was just going to quickly go through how to set this up. So on yours, you'll see these little notches, and we're just going to line the notches up. The one that goes in front is the shepherd and the lamb. The second one are the remaining scripture verses in the first 5 days of Christmas. The third thing is the little notches for the wise men, and the fourth is the backing and the hillside. Okay, so basically this notch right here is just so that you can line them up. So I'm just going to put some glue on the back of here. I'm using Stick Fast, and I got it from Amazon. I really like it. Just put a little right there. Really, however you want to line these up. I'm just going to put the stick down and use it as my marker, like that. Yours, it won't slide through as well as this one, as easily as this one. I've tightened it up since this cut, but that's what it'll look like. So I'm just going to put that third layer on, which are the notches. This glue sets very quickly, so make sure you have it exactly where you want it, because it's pretty amazing. Last one, get some glue on there. I'm just going to hold that for a minute. Now over here, you slide the Holy Family in, kind of like that second, as a second layer. And then I just kind of glue, just eyeball right about to where the boy's head is at the outside of the stable, just to make sure there's enough room for the camels. Go in to the 12th day of Christmas, put the camels in to make sure. So I'm going to give him a little bit more room, like that. And that's where I'm going to glue. I'm just going to put glue right here, a little bit right there. And just hold that for a minute. This glue works incredibly fast, and it has very... So I ran out of storage and my camera turned off, but you can see right about where I placed the donkey and just glue him on, and he's all dry. And this is self-standing. There you have it.